And Taoiseach, I know yourself and the Minister are fully aware of the crisis in relation to home care hours. And I raise it again in the context of a reply I've just got. And I mean, figures at this stage mean nothing, but people are waiting up to 4 years for home care hours. I know that a strategic workforce group has been set up. It's now over 3 months since it was set up. Are there any interim reports, any interim recommendations in relation to the recruitment and retention of home care staff?
Thank you. Taoiseach.
Yeah, I will speak to the Minister and to come back to you in terms of the interim measures. 4 years seems a bit long.
During respite only last week.
Yeah, but I mean,
up to 4 years
there's a
waiting
huge
for
acceleration of home care. Over 1 million extra hours were provided in the last year and a half. But then, because of that extra provision, the skills issue or the availability of workers became a big issue then. And yes, you're right, a task force was set up to seek and something to be done in terms of upskilling and so on. I will come back to you in respect of whether the Minister has interim recommendations from that work.
Thank you.